It's a bad score. If you see anything, for example, on the right-hand side, you can see consumer default information. They're listed for 5 years, regardless of payment. So even if you make a payment, once a default's there, it's there. The only way to remove a default is to prove that it was listed in error as per legislation. That's what we specialize in. So it's the credit reporting code. It sits under the Privacy Act. You have to prove that there is an error with that listing to have it removed. If you just pay it, it'll get marked as paid. It's still going to cause you issues. Again, with this particular example, consumer credit application pattern isn't good. And we're seeing a lot of this where, and people don't know, we don't know unless you're in this sort of industry. Every time I apply, they're doing an inquiry. And if I do 3 in a month, Equifax is going to think I'm a terrible person and take 200 points off me. But that's what they're doing. So understanding that every time you inquire is really important, especially using facilities like buy now, pay later. When I had a meeting with Equifax a couple of years ago, they told me that they were going to change those algorithms because my argument was, well, everybody's using buy now, pay later. Why should we be punished? Oh, we're going to be changing that. And of course, they haven't. And there's other areas there that you can see like red that could be fixed either or improved. And that will in turn, once that data is fixed or removed, that score automatically bumps up and off that person goes and gets their finance approved.